Hello, Aday. My mini-me. So much has been said, good things about Erica, and my heart is so full of happiness and love. And thank you all for appreciating her kindness, her love to you, and her friendship. And I can't say no more about Erica, apart from she's my best friend. My confidant. Sometimes we do marites. So whoever here who can't understand the word marites is a term for gossiping in Filipino. So we like to talk about things about life, and sometimes we watch teleseries. But going back 18 years ago, it was a overwhelming experience for me, as I did not expect that I will be a mother of such, how to say, exceptional baby. As what Nonun and Nana was saying, that she always cry, which I don't understand why she's crying, because it's like everything given, but she still cry. So we come to a point where we have to baptize her. A Christian baptismal was an emergency situation, because that was the old folks was saying that when a baby is crying too much, maybe she needs to be baptized in the church. So, and it did help. And I just want to acknowledge Ninong Bites as part of this scenario. Even middle of the night from central London, Ninong Bites will come over just to help us to pacify Erica. So it was really an overwhelming experience, but it's a good memory to remember. So much has to be said, but I can't remember sometimes. So I just want to borrow some quote from a mom. I think it perfectly reflects. I just wanted to say to you, Aday, that you are the dream I didn't know I had, the love I didn't know was missing, and the pride I carry every day. You've turned my world into a story of endless joy and love, and I am forever grateful for the gift of you. So, in short, I don't have to elaborate that, Aday, but I'm really, really proud of you to be your mom. And that doesn't mean that we celebrated this 18th birthday is for you to have a boyfriend. I just want to clarify that. That's why I edited Ate Jam's script. That Adibu is a presentation of a girl into a fine woman to accept suitors. But I think not at this time, Aday. I'm just very clear of that. Take your time and enjoy your being single. Focus on your on your dreams, because whatever you decide today will project your future. So regardless of what I said, it's up to you to consider that. But I just want to say that all here are just friendship for now. Everybody has to have a competency before you can pass. If you pass the competency, then that's fine with me. Their dad is so cool, but I'm not. No, I'm just joking. It's up for Aday, but for Erica, as long as she knows her plans in life, I will support you forever. You will always be my baby. It's just a number, but you're still a baby girl to me. So I love you, baby. You will be in university in few months' time, and I will miss you. I will miss your company, but of course, it's part of your journey. And I wish you everything, all the success in life. I will always here for you. I love you.
Uh-oh. Look, I see, look, I see. Uh-oh.
Thank you so much for that.